Microsoft has just released the Windows 11 June 2026 update, and hidden inside it is a change that could make Windows feel noticeably faster without upgrading your hardware. But that's not the only surprise. Microsoft has also added a feature users have been requesting for years, improved webcam functionality for creators, and fixed one of the biggest security issues discussed in recent months. So let's take a look at the biggest changes in the Windows 11 June 2026 update, and whether it's worth installing right now. Let's get started. Let's start with what could become the most noticeable improvement for everyday users. Microsoft has introduced something called a Low Latency Profile. Now, don't worry about the technical name. What it basically means is that Windows can temporarily prioritize responsiveness when you open the Start menu, launch apps, use search, or interact with important parts of the operating system. Instead of constantly using extra resources, Windows boosts responsiveness only when needed. The result is a faster-feeling Windows experience, especially on older and mid-range computers. You may notice quicker Start menu launches, faster app opening times, and smoother navigation throughout the operating system. It's not a flashy feature, but it's something you'll probably appreciate every day. But if you think that's the most exciting addition in this update, wait until you see what Microsoft has finally added for Bluetooth users. Windows 11 now supports shared audio with compatible Bluetooth LE audio devices. This means audio can be streamed to two wireless headphones at the same time. For example, you can watch a movie with a friend, listen to music together, or share educational content without needing external speakers. Quick question, would you actually use this feature? Let me know in the comments, because I'm curious whether this becomes a popular feature or one that most people forget exists. Now, let's move on to a feature that content creators and remote workers will probably appreciate even more. Windows 11 can now allow multiple applications to access the same webcam simultaneously. Previously, one application could often lock the camera and prevent other apps from using it. Now you can do things like use OBS Studio while participating in a Teams meeting, record footage while streaming, or run monitoring software alongside your video conferencing application. For content creators, teachers, and professionals, this removes a long-standing Windows annoyance. And in a moment, we'll look at why security experts are calling this one of Microsoft's most important updates of the year. But before that, there are a couple of smaller improvements worth mentioning. Microsoft has also improved Windows Search. Search results can now appear more quickly and with fewer typed characters. File searching has also been refined, helping users locate content faster. This isn't a headline feature, but it's another improvement that contributes to a smoother overall experience. The update also includes several quality of life improvements. Microsoft has introduced a basic camera mode that can help troubleshoot webcam issues more easily. Accessibility tools have received updates as well, including improvements for magnifier and screen reader users. Most users may not notice these changes immediately, but they help make Windows more reliable and accessible. Now let's talk about the update that many security professionals are focusing on. Even if you don't care about any of the new features we've discussed so far, there's still a very good reason to install this update: security. Microsoft has fixed more than 200 vulnerabilities in this release, making it one of the largest Patch Tuesday updates in company history. Several publicly disclosed vulnerabilities have also been addressed. Whenever an update contains this many security fixes, installing it becomes much more important. If you use your computer for banking, work, online shopping, or storing personal files, these fixes matter. But one security fix in particular has received a lot of attention. One of the most talked about fixes involves BitLocker. For those unfamiliar, BitLocker is Microsoft's built-in drive encryption technology that helps protect your data if your computer is lost or stolen. The June update addresses a vulnerability known as Yellow Key, which raised concerns among security researchers. Microsoft has now patched the issue, improving BitLocker's security protections. For business users and anyone who stores sensitive information on their PC, this is a significant improvement. Microsoft has also made several behind-the-scenes improvements to Secure Boot certificates and the Windows Update infrastructure itself. Most users won't notice these changes directly, but they help strengthen system security and improve update reliability in the future. In other words, Windows isn't just becoming more secure today, it's becoming more secure going forward as well. Should you install it? In my opinion, yes. The June 2026 update improves the 3 areas that matter most: performance, features, and security. The new low latency profile, shared audio, multi-app camera support, and if these don't excite you, the massive security fixes makes this one of the most important Windows updates of 2026. So, what do you think? Have you received the update yet? And which of these new features are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips, tricks, and update coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.